gratitude for having this, for attending this occasion. This is a very momentous occasion, special occasion, especially that we are now celebrating the anniversary of the barn. This is very timely that we have this kind of occasion where we're having a new equipment vehicles, no? Service vehicles, dump truck, and EV equipment. This event is important to the Ministry of Public Works because this equipment is really can help in the delivery of services, especially that our ministry is the one in charge for the delivery of services in terms of infrastructure and other engineering work in our region. This really can increase the capacity in terms of performance, accomplishment of our ministry. And of course, within the barn government, because it will also increase the program on our resiliency, especially during disaster. This really can help our community to address some problem in our disaster. Doon sa mga sakuna, mga typhoon, magagamit natin ito. So with that, I would like also to mention that this EV equipment is very expensive, and those who will be receiving this, I would like to remind you that we should take care of this equipment para naman ma-maximize natin the lifespan use of this equipment. Yan ang pinaka-importante. Maintenance. In return, ay masiserve din ng ating equipment yung purposes niya. Di ba? So again, maraming salamat. Lastly, I'd like to extend my gratitude to our representative in behalf of the ministry, to our Chief Minister for his support to the programs and other activities of the Ministry of Public Works. Again, maraming salamat. Alhamdulillah at assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you so much, our Deputy Minister of the Ministry of Public Works, Sir Abdul Mohammed M. Tumawis, for that opening message.